What's going on, everybody? Hope y'all doing good today. I had to do a voiceover on the video because the audio was just complete trash because of the wind. But this video are things that you need to know about getting a 2019 to 2024 Nissan Altima. So, pretty much starting off with number one. The number one thing about these cars, you need to know the engine options. You need to know your trim level, what comes with the trim levels. You need to also figure out are you okay with having a CVT transmission? Do a little research on CVT transmissions. Me personally, coming from a Altima owner myself, I can't really tell the difference between a CVT and a regular transmission because they ride so smooth right now. Like, yes, you do. Sometimes they hold RPM when you accelerate, and sometimes it don't. Sometimes it shifts just like a regular transmission due to the little shift points that it got programmed into it. Now, also what I'm saying, I have the 2020 SR model. So I have the 2.5 liter engine here, and they also come with the 2.0 VC turbo engine. So only models those come in VC turbo would be the SR. Well, between 2019 and 2022 would be the SR and the Platinum models. After 2022, they brought out the 2023, and then on up, the only turbo version is your SR turbo version. That's the only one. Platinum doesn't get the turbo anymore. It's just all 2.5. And another thing I want to add, the SR model is the only model that comes with paddle shift. So your 2.5 liters is going to be your standard engine in these cars. So you have to just choose between what you want to go with, trim level. So you have to put in the fact like the price of the car, and then you have to also put in the factor of how much your insurance going to be. Those are the key things. Now, if you're getting the car brand new, say you're getting the 2023 or 2024, and you got Geico insurance. With Geico, they have this little deal or this coverage called mechanical breakdown insurance. It's only for cars that got pretty much less than 15,000 miles on them. So if you're getting your car pretty brand new, you don't have to worry about getting a Nissan warranty or anything like that. You can just go through your insurance with Geico. It's like $16 extra a month on your insurance, and it covers your engine, transmission, all that. So if it goes down because of the transmission went out or the engine went out, you just pay your $250 deductible, and you can get a brand new engine put in your car. So I can't speak for other insurance. I have Geico, so I'm just gonna let y'all know on that. If I'm not mistaken, the S model is the only one that doesn't come with the dual exhaust diffuser in the back. They may have changed a couple things, but like I said, like the SV, the SR, the Platinum, and stuff like that, those all should be coming with dual exhaust diffusers. The S model has dual exhaust, but it just doesn't have the dual exit diffuser back there. But you still have the same exhaust, pretty much. So these cars are pretty much all the same. If you're thinking about your gas, how much it takes to fill the car up, depending on your area, if your gas is like $3.50 per gallon, you're gonna be looking at around $50 to $55. The tank on the car itself is like a 16 gallon tank. I mean, me personally, I can get 15.7 into the tank, which is pretty good. If you drive correctly, you can get over 500 miles to the tank. So it all depends on your driving style. That's how the computer gonna read it. That's how it's gonna calculate it. If you got your foot all the way in it every time you're driving, then you're gonna get the worst gas mileage on the screen. So the other thing you gotta look at with these cars, just seeing if it fits you. Like if you got a family, see if it fits you. Depending on how many kids you got, It can fit 3 kids in there with no problem. I can fit in the trunk myself with no problem. So the trunk is pretty big. I also actually fit a 65-inch TV by letting 2 rear seats down through the middle, out the box. No lie, I got it from Best Buy, took it out the box, put it in the car, took it home. So that's the one thing. The car is spacious. It has plenty of storage areas for whatever you got to do, grocery shopping. Some of them come with the little hidden hooks and everything in the back. Come with a nice stereo. Now, the thing you have to make sure, okay, your options. Say for instance, you get a SV. There's 2 different options. So you got the premium option and you just got the regular option that comes with it. Now your premium option gonna come with the heated seats. That's on all the other trims besides the S. The S is gonna be the only one that comes with cloth seats, and some of them don't have CarPlay in them at all. So those things you gotta look at. And also you wanna also take note that the S model is gonna be the only one that comes with the halogen headlights. The SV on up will come with those headlights that you see on my car right there. Those are Nissan's signature headlights, which you get the luxury color lights and stuff like that. Excuse me. So those are some of the things you got to look at when you get in the S model. You won't have CarPlay, and you won't have the sunroof. You won't have the heated seats or anything like that. In mine, I have the SR, but I don't have the premium package. The SR automatically come with the 19-inch wheels. That's part of the SR package. But there's 2 packages with the SR and the other models like the SV, Platinum, and stuff like that. So if you get the premium package, you get the sunroof, the dual climate control, the heated seats, and stuff like that. I think that option was like $3,500 during the time when I got my car, and I was like, I'm not paying $3,000 for something that I'm gonna end up upgrading down the road. So I can get a custom sunroof put in if I want it. Want those little slots that doesn't have any logo or anything on there. That's where the dual climate control be. Now the 2023 and the 2024s, they have a bigger screen, but the 2019s to 2022, you'll see that 8-inch screen up there. Like I said, here's another part of the premium package right here. If you got the premium package, you will get the side turn signals with the premium package. But like I said, the SV models and on up, they have CarPlay. Now some models, it'll show Nissan Connect. I don't know if you're a fan of that or not, but some of the models will show Nissan Connect on the screen, but it's not compatible with the car. And the way you could tell you got true SR, you're gonna have the orange stitching inside, as you can see. Oh, forgot about this. Here's another thing. I have a 2020. You gotta look out for those tears in some of the seats. Now I can repair mine, which I am planning on doing, but some of the cars will do that after a while. I have 50,000 miles on mine, and that's a prime example of what you'll be looking for, stuff like that. The heat can just get all crazy and make the leather get loose. And also you got to look out for these windshields. During the 2019 to 2020 models, they had an issue going around with the windows scratch cracking. I made a video on that a long time ago. It's on my channel if you want to go check it out. A lot of people experienced the same issue, which they had to take their car up to Nissan to get their windshield replaced due to a scratch crack. I thought they may have done a recall on it. I'm not sure, but I got mine replaced free due to that issue. And everything was good. So we got all that taken care of. And also, like, before you even decide you want to get one of these, if you're getting one used, make sure, I repeat, make sure you look at that Carfax closely. Make sure that car has been serviced. Make sure the CVT has been serviced. CVT transmission has been serviced at 60K. And make sure, like, if you get a car that's over 60K, make sure that CVT has been serviced properly. Because I promise you, you don't want to just get a car and thinking everything's good. And please, I know you can find a deal on some that been in an accident, but if you get one that's been in an accident, please look at that Carfax, because I'm telling you, people will try to get over you and sell you some lemons, then you'll end up having issues with these cars. That's how I feel about it. That's my personal opinion. I don't want to buy a car that's been in a bad accident. Like I said, it depends on where the accident was hit at. You might be able to get away with it. But you got to deeply inspect these cars, especially the used cars. Like, people been renting them out. The best ones to get are the ones just coming off the lease. Because with those, you know those maintenance, the recommended maintenance were done. So there's a couple things to keep in your mind, when it comes down to that. All right, so the last few things is that I'm sorry if I've been rambling on, but I really want y'all to actually get in depth with a lot of stuff that's going on with these cars and what you need to know. But the last thing, can you modify the car? Yes, you can modify the car, but it hasn't been done yet. But I plan on doing it down the road as far as like performance mods. Anything could be done with the right amount of money. Just gonna put that out there. Currently, right now, the only thing out there for performance mods, it will be a cold air intake, and you can customize your exhaust. Now, as far as like your exterior enhancements, like your little side skirts, body kits, and stuff like that, they do have that out now. You can go on Amazon, eBay. They even got other body kits that came out for this car now. So like full body kits. Most of the parts are compatible with other Nissans. As far as like, you may be able to squeeze a Q50 part on there, like a diffuser or something. I'm not sure yet, I haven't tried it. But most of the cars are pretty much the same with Nissan. With that being said, you can do lowering kits. You can put airbags on there. Like I said, it's a good car that has a lot of compatible parts out there that you can change the look of the car up, type of deal. Like me, I put the side skirts, the rear diffuser, the fins. I put LED lights in here. I put everything you see on there. I did everything on my channel. You can go through the videos if you want, but like I said, I just made it look a little different. Like I said, down the road, I'm gonna put rims on it. I'm going to probably either lower it or put some bags on it. I haven't decided which one I want to do. Maybe I might just save up a bag, because I think that would be the better option for me, just because of like the area that I drive in. As far as LED lights, I got the hookup for LED lights with Lasfit. Everything gonna be in the description here. Like, my whole car is LED'd out, even to the brake lights. So you can see here, I got that spoiler from Amazon. Got the one on the rear window. I got that from Walmart? Yeah, I got that from Walmart online. It was actually cheaper on Walmart online. It's a universal piece, a 3-piece. Most of the stuff that you get is going to be universal pieces, as you can see right here. The rear fin, the rear skirt, the side skirts. Like, it's just all out there for you to put on the car. All you need is a tape measure, just to make sure you got everything together, your right length, and just look at your dimensions when you're buying the stuff. But other than that, man, I think that's pretty much it on this car. If I missed something, y'all let me know in the comments. Please feel free to discuss your problems that you have with the car, or the good stuff about the car, the good and bad. Like, I would like to see it all in the comments. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope I didn't talk your ears off or anything like that. But y'all, let's just use this video for people that's out there that actually thinking to actually get a car like this. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. And y'all, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.